Legitimate ways to get Microsoft Office 2025 for free. No crack, no subscription. 1. Use Office for Web completely free plus official. Microsoft offers free web-based versions of Office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. How to use it. 1. Go to www.office.com. Sign in with a free Microsoft account. 3. Use Word, Excel, PowerPoint online with autosave in OneDrive. You don't need to install anything. This is 100% free and works on any PC or mobile browser. 2. Get Office 2025 for free via school, college, education license. If you're a student or teacher, you might be eligible for Microsoft 365 education. Steps. 1. Visit /www.microsoft.com/education/products/office/light-microsoft.com/products office 2 and enter your .edu or school email. 3. If eligible, you'll get Office 2025, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Teams, and more. Free lifetime access as long as you're enrolled. 3. Join the Microsoft Insider Program, beta preview version. This lets you test upcoming Office builds, including Office 2025. How? 1. Sign in to insider.microsoft365.com, insider.microsoft365.com. 2. Join the Office Insider Program. 3. Install the preview version of Microsoft Office 2025, fully functional, available for Windows 10 11. Features may change or be limited, but you get early access legally. 4. Use Office mobile apps free on mobile devices. If you're okay using Office on your phone or tablet, download Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint from Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Keynotes, free with limited features, works great for reading, editing files, syncs with OneDrive. 5. Use the free 30-day trial of Microsoft 365. You can install full Office 2025 suite with a trial. Steps. Go to gladsoftgov.microsoft-365/try/www.com/microsoft-365/try. 2. Click Try 1 month free. 3. Sign in with Microsoft account. 4. Download and install Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Cancel before 30 days to avoid being charged. Bonus, buy a one-time Office 2021-2025 license lifetime. If you need a non-subscription version, look for Office 2021 Home or Office 2025 when released. Costs a one-time payment, no recurring fee. Can be found via Microsoft Store, Amazon verified resellers. Avoid shady key sites. What not to do. Don't use cracks, KMS tools, or pirated activators. They break Microsoft's terms, can install malware, keyloggers, get your system blacklisted or banned. Conclusion. You can install and use Office 2025 free, legally and safely via office.com web version, education license, insider preview, trial version, mobile apps. Would you like me to create a YouTube